A Democratic state senator is pushing for all public employees in California to get vaccinated. This as the state capitol is working to contain an outbreak that has now infected several people. And as the state's most dominant strain is now the infectious Delta variant. 17's Ashley Zavala is in our Sacramento bureau tonight with more.
State lawmakers returned to the state capitol today amidst a COVID-19 outbreak inside the building, affecting those who are not vaccinated and those who are.
We have a responsibility to the public to take public health precautions for ourselves, for our coworkers, and to protect members of the public.
State Senator Scott Wiener is calling on all public employees, including elected officials, to get vaccinated.
Whether we are elected officials or legislative staffers, whether we are firefighters or police officers or working at the DMV or homeless outreach workers, we are all interacting with the public, and we also are keeping the government open and working and functioning.
The push comes as 9 state capitol employees and staff members in the assembly have tested positive for COVID-19 within about a week. The most recent memo sent over the weekend said the latest 2 people to test positive were fully vaccinated and wearing masks.
I think they're, recovering, as we've seen with many people.
Republican State Senator Melissa Melendez weighing in on the push to vaccinate public employees.
I've always believed that vaccination is a personal choice, and I understand those who are very fearful of getting this virus, and really they would prefer that everyone get vaccinated, whether it's public employees or private employees, but that's not reasonable.
The strains of the Capitol cases are unknown. The effort to contain the outbreak comes as California's most dominant strain is the infectious Delta variant. The state's positivity rate is increasing slightly at 1.5% as of Monday. State data shows about 60% of California's population is fully vaccinated. For now, state lawmakers say there are no plans to push legislation mandating public employees get vaccinated. Wiener pointing to San Francisco now requiring all city workers to get vaccinated.
We should see that more broadly. Agencies should be mandating it. And so forth. It's not about legislation.
I think it would be a tough sell, certainly, but that has never stopped people before from bringing forward bills that aren't necessarily popular.
State health officials say they are prepared for slight increases in cases and hospitalizations, but at the moment they say they do not anticipate any threat to the state's healthcare system capacity. At the state capitol, Ashley Zavala, 17 News.